Have you ever wondered what people actually mean when they say AI? By the end of this video, you'll understand the one simple idea behind it. No tech background needed. Let's start with something you already know: teaching a child to recognize a dog. You don't hand a toddler a rule book that says a dog has 4 legs, fur, and a tail. Instead, you point at dogs. You say dog every time you see one. A poodle, a bulldog, a tiny puppy. After enough examples, the child just knows. Nobody taught them a formula. They learn from seeing lots and lots of examples. That is exactly what AI is. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It just means a computer program that learns from examples, instead of being told exact rules to follow. Here's how it works, in 3 simple steps. Step 1. You show the computer thousands, sometimes millions, of examples. This pile of examples is called training data. That's just a fancy word for all the examples we showed it. Step 2. The computer looks for patterns in those examples. It notices things like posts with the word free money are usually spam, or photos with pointy ears and a wagging tail are usually dogs. Step 3. Once it has learned those patterns, you can show it something brand new, and it makes a guess based on what it learned. Just like the toddler seeing a new dog breed for the first time and still knowing it's a dog. That's it. That's the whole idea. AI is a computer that learns patterns from examples, then uses those patterns to make decisions about new things it hasn't seen before. You're actually using AI all the time without realizing it. When your email app quietly moves junk mail into a spam folder, that's AI that learned what spam looks like. When your phone finishes your sentence before you finish typing it, that's AI that learned how people usually write. When a music app suggests a song it thinks you'll like, that's AI that learned your taste from what you've played before. Even a voice assistant that understands what you just said is AI that learned to recognize speech from millions of recorded voices. None of these programs were given a strict rulebook. They all learned the same way the toddler learned to recognize a dog, by seeing example after example until the pattern clicked. So let's recap. AI is not magic, and it's not a robot secretly thinking like a human. It's a computer program that learns patterns from lots of examples, the same way a child learns by seeing things over and over, and then uses those patterns to handle new situations. That's the foundation for everything else we'll cover in this series. In the next episode, we'll clear up a question that confuses almost every beginner. What's the actual difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning? If this helped make AI feel a little less mysterious, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. And drop a comment with any question you still have. I'll do my best to answer it in a future video.